Alright, what is up, future self? Isn't that weird? I'm really tired. I'm not going to be able to focus. Alright, so today I am going to be working on the AI for this, which is kind of nice because I'm too lazy to put on the headset constantly. One of the worst parts about VR development is if you don't have earbuds, which I do, I just don't have them here, I have them at work. Whenever you want to, my headset turn off? Whatever. Whenever you want to do any sort of testing, you have to take off your music and stuff, so it's a huge pain in the ass. So what I'm gonna be doing is I'll probably make a fresh scene and just experiment. I'll make it right now. We're just gonna do it live. I don't care. Test AI. So I'm just gonna make a scene with a plane, not an empty, and then I'll probably make a little course for my AI. Just make a super basic AI because I don't have much experience with it. The idea is it's gonna be a zombie AI. So not because zombies are original, because they're definitely the most original thing you can use. But it's because I'm lazy and I don't know AI that well, so it'll be a good introduction for me to learn how to do zombie AI, which is the simplest. It's walk towards and whack. So that should be fun to code. I won't be doing much VR development. If I feel extra motivated, which I'm not, I might go back in and start to add damage and stuff. Actually, what I probably will do is if I'm feeling perky, which I'm not, I can't stress that enough, I'm not having a great day. So I'll code the movement. It'll be like a rectangle or something, party time. Probably a capsule, that would make more sense. And then once that's moving to a half-ass degree, I'm gonna add some sort of character that will be the zombie, whether that be a model of myself or let's get out paint for this. I'll get yellow, or it be a Pokemon. This is what Pokemons look like. This is my favorite Pokemon, Meowth. So that's what I'm gonna do. Pretty sweet picture of Meowth. I know. Why is this scene so yellow? Do I have it? Is it the lighting? What's going on with the lighting here? Just more yellow than normal. Whatever. Doesn't matter. Anyways, yeah, that's the part where I talk about what I'm gonna do, and then I'll come back to you when none of it works and I don't make any of the progress I said I was gonna make. Peace. Okay, quick little update. I haven't got much done. I just have a basic sphere overlap to check if there's an enemy in the range of the zombie, which is this here. Navigation.move towards is a pretty simple function, so pathfinding and all that's handled. It's really simple. No code really involved. But the biggest thing I want to do, and I'm not sure how I'm going to do it just yet, is so what I need to do, this is the problem, so I'm either going to try to figure it out myself or find a Google answer and then make sure I understand it, because it's no fun if you actually copy it completely from Google. I'd like to actually understand it. So I want to be able to check if this is in the correct field of view. So I know if I'm in the area, it stops updating until I get close enough, and then I know I'm there. But I need to be able to check if I'm facing him and if there's no wall in the way too. So I need to figure out. Oh, geez. I'm trying to think about this. It's a neat little problem though. So I don't want to do I thought about, so I need to draw a penis. So I need to figure out if I got my guy here and then the guy over here, I need to figure out how to check if he's in the correct spot, but it has to be in a valid range and of angle, which I have a field of view, right? If it's a 90-degree field of view, you don't want him. Where did my cursor go? Can I have my mouse back, please? It's gone for good. Whoa! Oh my god. So I need to make sure that I don't. If it's behind me, it doesn't matter. So it has to be in front of me, from a certain. Is there a vector 3 like figure out that I'm sorry, I'm just trying to think. Can I do like vector 3 angle equals vector 3 dot angle between, returns the angle of degrees between point A. Could I do like if so, make her so C dot transform, which is the hit, and then myself, or like so from the hit to the actual zombie, transformed up position. Wait, is it two transforms? Yeah, sorry. Am I crazy? C dot transformed up position. What? What? Vector 3 angle. Oh wait, does this return a float? Oh, it returns a float. Sorry, I'm quite tired. That's why I haven't been making much progress. It's been a lot of meandering. I mean, just not doing anything. So, angle. I feel like this is like, there's got to be like the answer like right on Google, but I want to figure this out for myself because it's funner that way. Because then if, so what would define the angle? Okay, okay. Which way is the zombie facing? He can't go up because of gravity. Okay. Let's move the cube. I don't think that's the correct answer. Unless I can get the Y. Because it doesn't really make a difference, it's all the same. Okay, anyways, that's my problem. I'm gonna do some thinking, see if I can figure it out. Okay, so did some basic stuff. Found a tutorial to answer my questions, so I didn't actually have to do any thinking, with a little bit. But basically, so now if I'm behind you, he's pretty dumb right now. We can add like a little mini radius to have him know if someone's right behind you or something. But for now, this is kind of what I want. So, oh, I see him. He's in front of me. Good to go. I will follow him. And then once I'm inside of the field of view, I stop moving. The only thing is, I'll have to do this, is let's just do, once we start moving towards and move to target, once we start moving to target, we'll do transform dot look at, or look towards, not look at, long function, destination. That should get them to turn towards it. So the camera is actually the zombie, so it kind of helps you imagine the field of view. So now, oh, that worked out terribly. Whatever, that's fine. You can be kind of bumpy. It's because the, whoa. That's because the Y should be locked. Let's do new vector 3. Destination dot x 0 or transform dot position dot y. That might break it more, but just do it quickly. Destination dot z. Any no bracket. So don't look at the y value. I think what's happening is it's trying to look up or down. I don't want it to look up or down. Zombies don't look up. Again, luckily, because VR, things have to be simpler. So that does stop the jankiness. Now he moves towards you. But if you sneak up behind him, he doesn't know what's going on. Although he does look fast. Maybe... what should be done is there should be a look speed, and he shouldn't immediately look at you. He should take a second to go from point A to B when he looks at you, but that's fine for now. What I'm going to do to kind of finish this night off, because I don't feel like doing any more thinking, mind you, I found the tutorial, which is super useful. Actually, I just double check. I don't think he'll move towards you if you're behind a wall, but in the field of view. So if I go over here, go like this. This, and I'm over there, my cube. Not that cube, this cube. He shouldn't move towards you. Cool. Doesn't see him. Nice. Yeah, so what I'm going to do now is maybe just write some, not write anything, I'm going to animate as the zombie that walks towards you now. I'm not going to do any of the animation myself. I'm probably going to use either Mixamo animations or something off the Unity asset store. So, yeah. Alright, I think I'm going to call it a night, but I'll just show you what I did add. Let's turn on lighting. Again, the lighting in the scene is not great. We'll turn it off so you can see. So I added Mr. Magikarp here. I thought he'd make for a great zombie, especially with my random Pokemon theme. That doesn't make any sense, which is kind of the point. It might be fun. So this is going to be the first enemy you get to kill, and added some super simple animations, no blending, it's just a free asset pack. So now when he looks at him, he starts walking towards, and then basically what we now need to do, not tonight, maybe tomorrow, we'll see how I feel. You want him to stop when he gets too close, obviously, and then when he's in the correct range, he's going to stop moving. And then do attack animations. And then he will swing at you and inflict damage if he hits you, which I think is pretty easy. That'll be fun to do. And then from there, we'll be able to add the damage system, which will let you shoot back and kill him. He'll have a certain amount of health. Your weapons will inflict the damage based off hit location and stuff like that. That's relatively simple, and it'll be fun to program. So, yeah, first enemy. I think it's pretty funny. Makes me laugh. Magikarp on a stick. Anyways, peace.